If you are already trading into simple option trading strategies like naked call, naked put, or maybe a short strangle, then definitely it's a time to upgrade to more advanced option trading strategy, which are double calendar spreads and double diagonal spreads. So why should I upgrade to better strategies? Because better risk and reward relationship is there in these strategies. You require less monitoring, and adjustments are also easier compared to open strategy like short strangle. Is it difficult to learn? No, it's not difficult to learn. Only thing is, once you are exposed to these strategies, then you find the utility of these strategies. We are conducting a webinar on these strategies. Join this webinar, link is given in the description. So we will explain you what are double calendar spreads, when to use these double calendar spreads, when not to use these spreads, what are double diagonal spreads, when to use and when not to use, and what kinds of returns can be generated with these strategies like double calendar spreads and double diagonal spreads, with obviously a lot of peace of mind. So once you click on the link in the description and register, you will get time and date of webinar on your email ID also. So go ahead, click on that link and book your time, schedule your time accordingly so that you are available on that day. Thank you.